Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show two completed kits. One is a diamond painting and the other one is a cross-stitch kit. Let's start with the diamond painting kit. As you can see, this is the icon that I purchased from AliExpress. The video unboxing was a few days ago, so if you want to see how it looks, how it looked when packaged, you can see my previous video as far as I remember. This is a partial kit that is diamond painted with crystals. It was purchased on AliExpress for around $5 or $6. This kit contained 14 colors. All of them are crystals except of one precisely black one. So what I can say, the quality of the drills was really very nice. There were very few damaged ones, and the majority of the damage was the scratches on the back of the drills. Other than that, all of them were pretty nice quality. It was diamond painted really very fast. I didn't expect it to be finished in 2 days. It took me around maybe 8 hours to complete it. So, which is pretty good because it is intended to be a gift for my manager who wants to give it away as a present to his church. There were a lot of shades of red and yellow and blue and even like lettuce green color. Here it is. Beautiful colors, a very intense sparkle, glow, although the camera does not really show it. The canvas is just a standard plastic canvas as you can find in all the AliExpress stores. The adhesive is a poured glue and the symbol printing was very clear. So it was a pleasure to work on this kit. Unfortunately, the camera again does not capture the vibrant sparkle that this diamond painting is showing, but I'm trying to catch an angle, but unfortunately, no, the sparkle is way better than what you see on your screens. This size of this diamond painting is 10 by 13 inches, which is unfortunately a non-standard size, and at this point most likely I will have to order it either online in Arts to Frames website, because I was trying to find this size frame at Michael's or Walmart, and these frames are just very simple black poster frames, which I don't think would fit this icon. So as soon as I frame it, I will show it to you. Hopefully I will be able to do it by next week. In the worst case scenario, I will try to go to the thrift store because I purchased a few really nice frames over there. Some of them were brand new and of a non-standard size. This way I was able to actually frame a few of my icons before. So I might do it again this week. If not, I'll order it on Arts to Frames or Art to Frames. So this is the first kit that I wanted to show you. I will leave the link in the description box below, and I will start working on another icon. I have 6 in total, and I will try to complete all of them in the next several weeks. Now, the second kit that I wanted to show you is this adorable kitten. This is a cross-stitch kit. I did not do it, my mom did. My mom loves cross-stitching, and a few months ago I saw this kit in Walmart. It was either $3 or $4 from Bucilla company, Bucilla, something like this. So really very cheap, although I found the design to be very cute and I purchased it for her. So she started cross-stitching it, although she told me that it was kind of complicated, a lot of backstitch and stuff, but I really love the final result. What a cute, adorable kitten. She already framed it. The size is really very small. I won't even be able to tell you the size, but it looks really very realistic, like a true kitten sleeping. And she framed it. Looks really cute. So if you see this cross-stitch kit in Walmart or anywhere else, it's really very cheap. Like I'm telling you, $3 or $5. Go ahead and purchase it. That's how adorable it turns out. And the butterfly, look at it. Also very natural. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.